Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to prove this. So derivative d by dx of integral f of x dx is equal to f of x, okay, and integral f dash x, which means derivative, is equal to f of x plus c. That means I'm going to show that differentiation and integration are inverse of each other. So this is what differentiation, this is integration, okay, they are reverse each other. So I'm going to show you here. So first of all, let capital F of x be antiderivative okay, of this function f of x. Let f of capital F of x be antiderivative of function f of x. Okay, now if I take the derivative of f of x, okay, that means I will get f of x. Goes from this, because f of x is the antiderivative, so if you take the derivative, you will get this. Now if I want to integrate again, so d f of x is equal to this dx, I will transfer here f of x dx, okay. Now from this, if I integrate, integration of d f of x is what, okay, let me write for this one, f of x dx, which is nothing but f of x, because integration d f of x is just f of x, okay. And since this integration is indefinite, so you need to add constant c. Okay, now from this I'm going to take the derivative now. Derivative integral f of x dx is equal to derivative of f of x plus c, where c is a constant, okay. So derivative of this is, what do we get here? Derivative of this is f of x plus, and derivative of constant is 0, so which means f of x. Okay, that means we prove for the first part in this one. So integration, derivative integration is f of x. This is the first part, okay. Now this is second part. For the second part, okay, for the second part, if you take what, f dash x is equal to d by dx of f of x, which means from here, okay, if you take the difference in here, if you take the difference, how come this one from this, okay, if I take one more time differentiation again, okay, if I take, and this whole time is nothing but f of x, and if you differentiate again, you will get this one, okay. Okay, how come is that? From this d by dx f of x is equal to f of x, am I right? From this, so if I take the derivative one again, and this whole term is nothing but f of x, which is equal to this one, right hand side. Right hand side, so you are going to take the derivative. So from this you can see this one. Okay. Now from this, if you integrate f dash x, this transfer here dx is equal to f of x plus, since this is indefinite integral, so we should add one constant number, and this is our second proof, and this is our first proof. Okay.